Welcome to Manly. So we took the ferry from Circular Quay to Manly. It's about a 30-minute boat ride. It's very nice. Went by pretty quickly. Then you tap in, but you don't have to tap out, which makes things a lot simpler as well. So we're going to go walk about a 12-minute walk to the beach from the wharf, and we're going to go check out Manly Beach. When you get off of the Manly ferry, just walk straight and it'll take you right to the beach. It's about an 8 to 10 minute walk depending on how much the shops you want to look at. It took us like an hour, but had somebody helping me kill time. So unfortunately, we only had a little bit of time to be in Manly. We gotta get back to the hotel and pack because we leave tomorrow. But if you are in Australia and you want to come check out Manly, they have a lot of shops and a nice beach. And we went and got some food and some drinks over at one of the restaurants on the boardwalk. So it was a good time.
Yes, it was.
So what you can do, she didn't spend any money. Record that.
I didn't go into any shops and spend money.
So, yeah. So, if you want to go to Manly, all you gotta do is go to Google, and type in ferries from, say, Circular Quay to Manly, and it'll pull up the ferry schedule. They run about every 10 minutes, so it's a pretty easy way to get over here. It's about a 30-minute boat ride. We got Pier 3, or Wharf 3, and then they bounce between 3 and 4. So it's maybe a 3 or 4 minute walk from the Intercontinental. So very easy to get to from the hotel that we were at. So
I will still get lost.
she would still get lost. She did get lost. She was holding my hand and still got lost. That's bad. But anyway, we'll leave the Air Force training out of this.
Hey.
So, but I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about Manly, let me know. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Now, to keep her from getting lost,